Since everyone wishes to know why I make a half song so, I shall tell them truthfully, because the matter is half with me. So I must cut my song in two, for I love one who loves not true. And since of love there is but the half part, well, must all my song be halved in heart. So much have I placed my will there, that for no I shall take yes as fair. And I love more the hope of her than from another the reward entire. For she has no equal in beauty's art, in welcome nor in noble heart. So my heart is in her, so firmly set, that in love's right no other do I get. And since to all her will's decree I yield and grant and give myself free, mercy should avail for me, yet hers I shall be and am truly. For love makes me desire her so, wherever I go, Lord, naught else I know. And so her wisdom and beauty please my mind, that I must love, though love I do not find. You know why I must take delight, pleasing lady, for I dare in thought's flight to think that yet by you I might be loved. See all the joy by which my heart